hole and fish like this, you know you did pretty good. What's up, guys? We're out here on the quote impossible Erwin pond, the one behind McDonald's, and we're gonna see what we can do out here. It's hot. Oh man, I had something eat on top of the water and miss. Don't know if it was a little bass, big bluegill or something, but it's pretty cool. Oh. I got one. I have one. That's a good one. That's a dinky boy. I knew something came up and hit it right there. I knew that had to be it. Oh, look, right in the mouth. That's where you always want him to be at. Ooh, you got it good too. Still a little guy, nothing major. We'll go ahead and release this guy. Let's get another one. The Erwin Impossible Pond. That's already exceeded my expectations for the day. Let's see what else we can get. That's the hooking of that fish, and I literally thought it was a 2-3 pounder. That's how strong these fish are when you're throwing just a little worm or something. I'm just throwing a little ribbon tail worm. Changed from a Mardi Gras to a green one. And that was probably one of my first casts with it actually. And already got 2 bites on it. I don't think I have any more of these in my bag either, sadly. Got another good one. This one hit twice back there. It's a little bigger than the first one. Nice. We're gonna say goodbye to this guy. 2 on the day. I think I see someone on a kayak out there. Is that Robert? Let's go catch his ass. That's Rob. That might be Rob from DNR Fishing. Let's go check if that's Rob. Oh, I got another one. There we go. It's my 3rd of the day. Telling you, Rob, you need to throw this freaking worm, man. I got another one. Accidentally hit in. It's the biggest one of the day. Good 12-inch boy. Third one. Sorry if you don't see all my casts and stuff. I have very low footage, so I'm gonna have to just turn it on whenever I get a bite or something. It's got thumped in here. I'm gonna put it back in there. Third one of the day. Fourth one. Oh man, look, this one's bleeding. Each one I've caught has gotten bigger and bigger too. Oh, this one swallowed it. I knew he would. And I got no pliers on me. Every one gets like an inch bigger. That's 4 in the Erwin Impossible Pond. That's big success. Look at the lateral line on that one. Beautiful. As soon as I put my rod down, the biggest one. That's crazy. Caught 4 today. As soon as I put my rod down to check the phone, biggest one of the day just eats it at the boat. It's pretty crazy. Do you possibly have any pliers I could use? Last cast. Just sitting under the boat. Biggest one of the day.